Hello everyone, this is Mme Brilliante again, and I hope everyone is doing great. And today I'm going to show you how to make my own chicken general tap. So it's my own recipe, and I hope you will like it, and everyone like it. It's the most requested recipe, and especially my son-in-law. I always use the brown meat, so the boneless thigh. So and then I have 2 eggs here. I have garlic. I have the bell pepper, so it's orange and red, and I have ginger. You'll see why I have all this, and I have to use the all-purpose flour. I have the sesame seeds. I have also the sweet paprika, and of course it's salt and pepper. And I will use also wine vinegar and a soy sauce, low sodium soy sauce. And to fry, for your information, it's the vegetable oil that makes it crispy. Okay, so first I will break my 2 eggs here, and I'll beat it a little bit, and then I need 1.5 cup of flour. And I need 1 cup of water. And then to my chicken, I need to put some salt and pepper. Okay, so here also I need to put breadcrumbs. I mix breadcrumbs on this, just half a cup, and mix it. And also, I'll put a little bit of the baking powder, So 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Okay, so now I'm ready to put my chicken. Let's put our chicken here, which I put salt and pepper on my chicken. Okay. Then after this, we're going to fry it. Okay, so we're going to fry it. Our general tap chicken. Okay, I think it's time to turn. Oh wow. Just perfect. In the same skillet, then we have to fry our pepper for a few minutes. if it's cooked, it shouldn't be that long, like around 3 minutes. Then we have to separate them. So on the same skillet, then we have to make our sauce. So that means we have to put the garlic and the ginger. This is for our sauce. You have to fry it a bit. I can smell it. It smells so good. And we have to scrape from our chicken because we use the same skillet. Okay, so our garlic and ginger is cooked. So we're gonna put it on the side. Put on the side, and then we'll have like half cup of water. Then we have to put our sugar. That's 1 cup. Because we have a lot, so we're going to put a little bit more. Then we have to wait till it's caramelized. So don't stir it until it's bubbling. See, that's little thing there. We have to wait till it's gone. Okay, so we have to mix and then put our paprika. Then we have to put our red wine vinegar slowly. Okay, so our sauce is ready. Okay, so then we have to put our garnish. I roasted sesame seeds a little bit. And we have our shallots. Look at that. I hope you guys like it. Let's try it. I like peppers. Still crunchy. That's why I have to separate them. Like fry a little bit and then mix it right after. It's really, really good. Let's see how the chicken is. It's very good. It's not too sweet. It's really good. So I hope you like my recipe, and you should try it. It's really, really good. And so see you next time. Bye-bye.